I finally did it. I didn't meet my deadline for before Halloween, but I finally did it. So here, I have the original Spaghett that I made back in college with some classmates for a group project. And just real quick, show it. And believe it or not, this was the most advanced game that was made. This is in Java, by the way. If you can't tell from the little buttons in the bottom. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. Fast forward to when I die. So they come up and they eat me, and that's the death screen. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. You can start over, blah, 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 and there's that. So I want to show you what I've made. Spaghett Remastered. So, let me turn this down a little bit so I can hear myself. Alright, so, same kind of idea. Click start and it starts. And instead of having them spawn in over time, you clear a wave and then more spawn in, and it increments up every time. And each enemy type has a special skill or ability. So like Pepe is just your normal whatever. But Sonic, he has a chance to teleport. And a troll, when you kill him, he spawns little babies. And you can tell when Sonic's gonna teleport because you hear a sound. He's not teleporting, but then he teleported. See? Alright, so you got these guys take a lot more hits. That's their specialty. And before I kill that, also each enemy has a probability to spawn, so you're not going to get like a wave of randomly generated enemies and it's going to be all the Forever Alone take 4 hit guys or all trolls or whatever. But you'll see that each time there's more on the screen. And the next wave is the boss wave. It starts out easy, as you'll see in a second. It starts out easy, but the next boss wave is gonna be harder. And the boss, he takes 8 clicks. So this time it was easy, but next time it'll be a lot harder. You can see there's a lot of clicking that's going to happen in here. And there's like a little bit of strategy who you're going to kill first. And so as they get closer, it's easier to keep track of the Sonics, but at a larger distance, they can get right up onto you. Quick, like that. Oh, getting close. Getting close. Alright, one more wave, then we'll see the other boss. Woo. And here we go. Remember, these guys take a lot. Yep. There we go. Got past that. All right. I'll just let this go out, so it doesn't take too long. That's pretty much the game in entirety. I mean, you can always restart it if you want. You can pause it. You could probably change. So I kept true to the original with the sound, but as you can see, it's different. But as soon as you click, boom, game's over. And that's the game in a nutshell. Well, I said nutshell, that was the entire game. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I'm gonna probably upload a build, or at least allow other people to get at it with GitHub. So yeah, stay tuned, or check in the link description below. That's it. See you guys later.